Jai Sri Krishna. And today, let me introduce you to Aarti Savur. And there is so much to speak about her. When I first met her, I just found her a very pretty lady. And then when I heard about all that she has done in this young life of hers, she was widowed at an early age. And she didn't say die. She just figured that, well, let me tell you what her philosophy of life is: to do the best with what she has, not to give up, but to spread hope and joy, because life is beautiful no matter what it gives you. And one of the words that inspires her is, one day you will tell your story of how you overcame what you went through, and it will be someone else's survival guide. And that is what I'm planning to do in this small little talk that I'm speaking about her, because I want to inspire you during this time of COVID. I was just reading also a book. I think it's called Life Search for Meaning, Viktor Frankl, and he talks about what he went through in the camp during the Second World War. He was a Jew, and he was imprisoned in that camp, and all that he went through. And as I read, I say, my God, we have nothing to complain about. We have nothing to worry about. And anyway, coming back to Aarti Savur, let me tell you about her. Let me tell you about her. She is the CEO of Parisharasha, and also she is now the chairperson of Women's Movement for Peace and Prosperity. I was the chairperson for so many years. I think must have been 11, 12 years. But I'm so happy to pass on my chair to her. And what does Aarti really believe? She strongly believes that to bring about a positive change in the society, there is an ardent need to bring about continuous innovation in the education system. And in the last few years, she has brought many positive changes in the organization and in the society at large through various innovative projects such as Ecotech World School Program, Free Parenting Helpline, innovative workshops for students, teachers, and parents for a sustainable tomorrow. Under her leadership, these programs are benefiting more than 1 lakh students, their families, and 10,000 teachers every year. She has also been conducting workshops globally. She dons many feathers in her illustrious cap. She has been honored by Jamnalal Bajaj Management Institute with Leadership Award, Femina World Women's Achiever Award, and many more national and international awards. She is associated with many organizations as well. But what I am most interested in is in her personal journey and what she believes in. And she likes to spread hope and joy to many because of the life she has gone through and how she has survived. And then this particular time, last I went, was she had conducted mental health, a little webinar for mental health, especially during this time, during these difficult times during COVID. And I want to share a poem that she has written herself. And I also would like to tell you that during these difficult times, nothing like sharing, because it is what sharing does to you. And this is a poem written by Aarti herself. And she says, आओ share करें अपने मन की बात. Let us share what is in our hearts. चाहे हो न हो अपनों का साथ, भले उलझनों का दिन हो, ये या हो दर्द भरी काली रात, तू ना डर ए मन मेरे, कोई न हो पर मैं हूं न तुम्हारे साथ. आओ शेयर करें अपने मन की बात. So even if it is the night is dark, even if no one is next to you, don't worry about, don't be afraid, because just share and know that I am with you. That I could be God, that I could be the universe, that I could be a friend. And I continue her poem. कभी तू समझ न आए, कभी तू खूब सताए, कभी गुस्सा कभी आंसू रुलाए, कभी खून के घूंट पिलाए. She's obviously talking about life, that sometimes I cannot understand you, sometimes you trouble me, sometimes I get angry, kabhi aansu rulaye, sometimes I cry, kabhi khoon ke ghoot pilaye, sometimes I'm drinking tears of blood. जब दिखे न कोई राह, फिर भी ना कर खुद को मिटाने की चाह. माना भले हो गहरी रात अभी, पर सवेरा तो होगा कभी न कभी. So what she's saying is that even if you can't see a road open in front of you, but still don't think of ending your life, because this dark night one day will bring out the sunrise again. And again she continues to speak with herself. ए मेरे मन अब खुद को रोक लेना तू, ए मेरे मन अब खिल के हंस लेना तू. कभी खुशी कभी गमों का दौर तो चलता रहेगा, फिर से एक बार जीना सीख लेना तू. ए मेरे मन अब खुद को रोक लेना तू. Just stop maybe worrying about things that are around. ए मेरे मन अब खिल के हंस लेना तू. Now smile, now laugh. कभी खुशी कभी गम. This is life. Sometimes there's joy, sometimes there's sorrow. But still continue to learn to live. जब हम हैं तुम्हारे साथ. And she conducts a helpline, which if any of you are interested, I will probably put it up with the phone numbers that are open, I think, from morning till night. So there is always a friend one can speak with, or there is always a real friend you can speak with, or there is always God you can speak with. And this is her last verse. जब हम हैं तुम्हारे साथ, ए मन तू न करना चिंता की बात, अपने मन को रखना तू हमेशा ख्याल. आओ शेयर करें अपने मन की बात. So let's share what is in our heart with our friend, with the helplines that she is providing, or with God, or with a friend. So thank you, Aarti. That was a beautiful sharing that you did with me, and I like to share with my friends so that they listen in too. So you take care, and God bless all you listeners.